Guess what came in the mail? My iPad Air 4. You can't really tell because it's in the box, but I ordered her about a month ago, and ever since then I've been watching an unhealthy amount of those iPad unboxing videos and setup videos that make it look all aesthetic with all the accessories, and I wanted to try it out. Just to preface this, I'm not using this iPad for work. I'm using it for fun, for drawing, for planning, and for watching videos, probably BTS or Harry Styles related. Yeah, so let's go set up this iPad. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful she is. So I did get a bunch of accessories for this, but I'll wait till the end to show you and give you my final thoughts. I got this in rose gold, obviously. I like pink and sparkles. But yeah, let's unbox this. Aww, I thought this was gonna be a little corny, but it ended up being really cute in real life. This is so pretty, and it has the flat edges so your Apple Pencil can charge. Exciting. Has, I think, the stickers in here. All of that stuff, yep. And the charger, USB-C, which I'm not used to. I'm a PC person all the way, so this is gonna be new. Oh, well, I just ruined that. Well, time to get out the paper-like screen protector. I heard this is super hard to put on too, so let's see how this works. It comes with a little scraper, so to get all the air bubbles out, the alcohol pads and wipes. It comes with a bunch of positioning stickers. That's funny because I was about to use washi tape to do a little method that I saw online. It's fully charged. That's beautiful. English. Ooh, this screen feels nice. It does have a hard time sticking on with this case. I have to kind of tuck it in on all the sides, but that's okay. I'm sweating from putting on that screen protector, but it's cool because it has Touch ID on the top. All right, look how cute. So here I'm setting up my Apple Pencil 2, and I realized with the case and the silicone pencil cover, it did not charge, so I had to take it off. Whoa, that's cool. That's cooler. Continue. Try scribbling. Let's see. So I actually heard a lot of people don't like this double tap function because they'll switch between pencil and eraser without knowing. So we'll see how this works. So I proceeded to look through all the apps and the widgets that the iPad came with, and I was familiarizing myself with all the different swipes and actions, and there's so much. It's definitely a learning curve. The next day. So basically, I set up everything last night and realized I couldn't use any of the footage because the lighting was so bad. So here's what I did. I went into Procreate and made this background. I did film it and I showed it, but I lost all that footage because everything was so badly lit. I also made all of these icons for the dock. I did this all in Procreate. And I know all these icons lead to the Shortcuts app, but since I'm using this iPad for leisure, I figured it was fine. I customized the widgets on the side, so now it shows the charging, the date, and then the weather. I got rid of the 3 most recently used apps on this dock by just going in the settings. And yeah, I put all my used apps on this side, and I put all my not as much used apps / the ones that are down here on this side. So like I said, I went in Procreate and kind of played around a little bit. Sad, but I don't have the footage of me drawing in Procreate. I wish you could have seen it. I was messing around with the different brush strokes, the layers, different features from the Apple Pencil, like the palm rejection feature, and how it felt like on the paper-like screen protector, which was really good, in my opinion. Again, I don't really know how to use this that well.
I've only been doing this for 2 days.
I customized this as well, so I can do screen recording, have my alarm here, notes, easily accessible. And yeah. She's cute. All right, again, let's talk about accessories, which I went over last night, but I could not use any of that footage. But let's start with the cases. So when I'm drawing, I kind of wanted a flat surface, so I got this really cheap case from Amazon. It does charge with the Apple Pencil. If you saw in my last clip that I had a cover on it, I took it off because you couldn't charge this with the case, so I just took it off. I also got this case. I'll probably be taking this with me when I go to work or if I'm traveling, hopefully next year, I don't know. But it just opens up. The keyboard is magnetic, so it just slaps on wherever. And you can also move this down, so it becomes kind of like a laptop. It does have a place for your Apple Pencil here, but I found that if you put the iPad in, it charges like that as well. Oh, and it lights up pink. Look how cute. And this is great because I could probably take this with me wherever I go, and she'll be protected. My Touch ID still works through this. As you also saw, I got the Apple Pencil 2. I took off the silicone case, even though I really liked how it felt, because it's just easier to charge here. Some of the cool features that I like about it is that you can snap it on the side and it snaps onto charge. It also has a cool palm rejection feature that's in Procreate, and also if you double tap the pencil, it could change the function. So that's what I mainly like about it. Is it worth the money? I don't know. Only I think if you're using it for Procreate or if you're using it for drawing and things like that, it's very intuitive and handy with the iPad. So after playing around with this for about a day, my favorite features from it are the touch to unlock screen. That's amazing. I also love how easily customizable this is and how lightweight it is. It's actually really nice. This matte screen protector, I actually ordered a new one because I messed it up here and they were only like $11, so.
But listen to how satisfying it sounds. Anyways, I hope you guys like this review. I have no idea what I'm doing and still don't know, so I'll be playing a lot with this over the weekend.